Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an email template in Copper CRM. So first up, go ahead and go to the top left and click on your profile. Now click on email settings. Okay. In here, click on my templates. As you can see here, I have one, and this one is given by Copper CRM itself. Okay. I'm going to click on edit. As you can see here, let's say we're going to replicate this thing. Okay. It says here it needs first name, email, a phone, the sender name. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. Create a template right here. Give it a name, sample 2. The subject, maybe amazing deal. Okay, like hi. Then you would go ahead and add in the first name, right? So type down hash on your keyboard like so, and you'll be able to find these fields. Okay. Now let's say hi, the full name, last name, or the company name if you want to. First name, hi, then go ahead and add in your message, okay? Like here at our company, okay, hash again, scroll down, sender company name. We have this promotion that might be of interest. You can go ahead and add in a pipeline deal, maybe scroll all the way down, like a deal name and a deal value, like so. And once done, you would end it like sincerely. Okay. Add in your, of course, again, your sender name. Okay. That's basically it. Here you have your email template. You can now go ahead and hit on save. And once done, you can go ahead and use this template to send emails. And by the way, you could go ahead and use this by using Gmail. Okay. If you have installed the Copper CRM extension, like when you go ahead and compose an email right here, Copper will be in this section. Okay. Click on insert email template. And as you can see here, we have sample 2. And here's the template that we just created. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.